Papasok ka na ba sa school? Ha? Mag-aaral ka na ba?
Maaral ako.
Pag tinanong ng teacher, Claire, what is your name?
Ano?
Huwag mo takpan. What is your name?
My name is Claire Margaret Santos.
Oh, how old are you?
3.
Where do you live?
In Atuan, Balkan.
What is the name of your daddy?
Daddy, Ruel Santos.
What is the name of your mommy?
Mommy,
Ano ang pangalan ng mommy?
Santos.
Hindi, lakas mo. What is the name of your mommy?
Mommy, Amira Santos.
Almira.
Anila.
What is the name of your sister?
Sister Samantha Santos.
Yes. Clap your hands down. Okay, pag